I do HVAC with my father, Michael Kohberger. It is a side job here and there that has allowed me to have periods of unemployment. I am going to need more income now due to the fact I have a lot of responsibilities and utilities. I am capable of what is considered, quote, pipe work. I can solder, attach pipes, and do some basic HVAC. I learned this from my father. I was the District 11 Skills USA Regional Champion in 2011 for extemporaneous speaking. I learned how to do more HVAC at MCTI, which was the tech school. And I learned how to patrol and do basic security procedures from my year in law enforcement.
Awesome!
I was a boxer and am still a runner. I believe dedication and perseverance are the most important skills learned from my activities. I lost 130 pounds at age 15 into age 16 whilst attending school at PVHS and MCTI. I believe this is proof that I have the required dedication to be successful. This is a job for a security position at the school where his mother and father worked. And we're going to talk more about Kohberger's past jobs. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Interesting stuff. Let me show you guys this wonderful overlay that Teresa sent me one more time. This is a screenshot of Josco 1972 from TikTok. Posted Potato Let Us Know on December the 14th. The day before Bryan Kohberger was killed in that SWAT raid, and him and his dad were on the road. Could he have been... Is that the Comfort Inn office lounge? Guys.
What?
Remember there was... Oh, Lordy. Remember there is a room key to the Comfort Inn from when him and his dad traveled? Would that not explain the fucking painting?
What?
December 14th, Josco 1972 posted those details. And it looks like he's in maybe the office space at the hotel. And that's why he's talking quietly and not... And you see the fucking trash can behind him. Oh my God, let's watch it again, guys. I think he was at the Comfort Inn.
Which I apologize for how I know it's disturbing, but anyway, how do we know that she screamed? Because 3 individuals reported hearing a scream between 3:45 and 4 o'clock.
Be sure to check out my other videos and playlists for more true crime content. And if that's not enough, you can join our Patreon. Don't have a tinfoil hat? It's okay. We'll make you one. It's that easy. See you guys in the next video.
See you later. Bye.